Hello everyone, I am Apurva Pandita and welcome to LiveLaw. The Supreme Court of India has recently witnessed several new initiatives under the leadership of Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud. They have started the utilization of artificial intelligence to improve the legal and administrative process in the court. Two of the major developments that have taken place are: firstly, they are going to provide the transcriptions of the hearings that will take place in the court, and secondly, they are also set to launch a neutral citation system for all of the Supreme Court developments. On 21st of February, the Supreme Court for the very first time used AI-generated tools to provide the transcriptions of the hearings that were taking place. When the Constitution bench was in session and hearing the Maharashtra political crisis, the screen was displayed in that courtroom that depicted the written version of the oral arguments taking place. Afterwards, these transcriptions were sent to the lawyers for verification. And after the verification, they were uploaded on the Supreme Court website the next day. Now, this initiative was widely accepted and appreciated by many people out there, including the Union Law Minister Kiren Rijiju. Apart from this being beneficial to the lawyers and judges, it will also be beneficial in keeping a permanent record of the arguments that take place in a case. Now let's talk about the second major development. That is, the Supreme Court has launched a neutral citation system for all of its judgments. Now what does this mean? So till now, the citations of the Supreme Court were dependent on third-party organizations and journals. For example, Supreme Court cases SCC, All India Reporter AIR, Manu Patra, and even LiveLaw. I mean, you all know that LiveLaw does provide citation as well. But our major aim here is transparency. We aim to provide the legal news accessible to everybody, including the general public. Now coming back to the video, what we are talking about. Now, since Supreme Court was dependent on these third-party organizations and private parties for the citations, it did not have their own independent citation system. But now it will. It will have a neutral citation system for all of their judgments. This will be applicable retrospectively, which means that the older previous judgments will also be given a neutral citation. This will also in turn reduce the complexities of having more than one citation for a single judgment. So all in all, we are witnessing a huge shift towards the legal and administrative developments of the Indian courts, although we are looking forward to more such substantial developments. That was all for today's video. I hope that you like our content, and if you do, then do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more such updates, keep watching LiveLaw.